Imagine yourself in this 2016 Toyota Corolla L. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 15x 6.0 steel wheels, front bucket seats, fabric seat trim, 6 speakers, air conditioning, electronic stability control, tachometer, ABS brakes, brake assist and delay-off headlights. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.